Welcome to China. We're making the famous delicious Chinese dumplings. For the filling we mix meat, cabbage, ginger, green onions and soy sauce. Then we make a smooth dough with flour and water. Roll the dough thin and cut small wrappers. Let them play together and have fun. One wrapper already wants to escape. No problem. Leave it. Add the filling. Then fold and seal each dumpling. Do it carefully. This one thinks it's a movie star. Maybe it is. Arrange them carefully inside the bamboo steamer. Or you can use a pot. Now we wait for the magic to happen. Meanwhile, light the video and earn some coin. The aroma is already incredible. Okay, maybe we made a few too many. Fresh dumplings are finally ready. You can make a party now. Let's taste one. Wow, that's absolutely delicious. Perfect. See you soon on the next food adventure. Subscribe and tell me what food I should cook next. Don't forget to leave comment. And share your foods with everyone. Take care, my human friends.